Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn off jump scares in Dress to Impress. In the new Lena as well as the Lana quest, you can turn off the jump scare. So if you go to open menu, go to settings, and there is the hide jump scares toggle. You can either press yes to hide the jump scare or no, you want the jump scares. I'm just going to press yes. And then if you teleport to the Halloween quest, you'll also see that same setting. I think it's already going to be toggled to yes, you want to hide the jump scares. So open menu and then settings, and then you're going to scroll down a little bit, and then it says hide jump scares, and then press yes. And that's how you can hide jump scares. What is going on in the new Lana and Lena quest? You can also select settings here. Part of this quest has jump scares. You can turn them off in settings. Um, would I say, would I say it's effective? It's not. It's still a little bit jump scary, even though you've turned that off. Like, it's just going to be, I think, I don't know, less jumpy, but I still jump sometimes. And I've played this so many times, but sometimes, like, the chapter 2 quest is just kind of it's the most scary. If I'm being honest, chapter 2 is the scariest, like has the scariest jump scare. Like Nurse Julie will just come running at you from nowhere. So yeah, it does help though. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.